What's up, guys? This is unboxing of my first Glock in my collection. Um, I just got it today. Um, it's a Glock 17C Gen 4. Let me open this. My paperwork. There she is. I'll put this right here for now. I got the Glen 5 magazine. I like it because it got the orange follower. You know. Speed loader. It came with 3 mags. But I got the Gen 5 because I like the orange follower. I mean, that's me. And plus, I like the color orange. Oh, safety lock. Yeah. It came in 2 back straps for the Gen 4. Because I was looking at the Gen 5, but they were kind of pricey. This is a receipt. And then my friend told me about this this Gen 4. They're not making it no more. Plus, it's a 17C. You know, look at the upper. Constipated. It's cool looking. That's why I got it. I mean, I like the sight, you know. I like it. And it fit good in my hands. Don't worry, guys. This is empty, so. The Gen 5 is like over $700, but with this I pay like like $540, I believe. Never fired, brand new, even though it's a Gen 4. I think this is the last year they're making it. That's what my friend at the gun store was telling me. I got it because of this right here, you know. It's cool factor, you know. I like cool looking guns. That's me. Yep, the orange follower. But yeah, this is my first Glock in my collection. Pretty nice. You know, I heard good things about the Glocks. I mean, I got a VP9 and I love that pistol. It's durable, whatever. It's very nice. But this is my first Glock. My sister got the Glock 19, and she likes it. She had it for like 4 or 5 years. But yeah, focus. Says Glock 17C on it. Somehow I can't. But there she is. Yep, 17C Gen 4. Austria. Very nice. You know, I got small hands, but you know, it's okay. I can change the back strap if I want. You know. Yeah, I like the sight on it. I mean, I do have good vision, you know, but this pop up my eyes, you know, that's a good thing. You know, some people like to change these, but like I said, you know, I got it because of this right here. You know, the open port, pretty nice. You know, when I seen it, I said, you know what? Because today I wasn't planning to buy anything. You know, I think I was buying like $2 of ammo. That's it. But my friend said, Elvis, he said, if you want this Glock 17C, you get it now because they're not making it no more. So you know what? Let me get it. Yeah, why not? The price is reasonable. You know, it's cheaper than Gen 5. So, I mean, I like it. Never been fired, you know. So, can't wait to shoot it. You know, I mean the trigger is not as. I mean it's alright, but it's not as, good like my VP9. But that's a Glock. Whatever. It's very nice. Oh, I like this, man. It's kind of sexy looking. I came in with this cleaning rod, whatever, for the barrel. It came with some Glock information about it, warranty, I think. I don't know. It came with 3 magazine. It's my receipt, how much I paid for the lock. But I like it though. My first Glock. And he told me either this year or whatever they will make the last Glock 17. I don't know if it's true or not, but who knows. And that's why I got this, Like I said, I wasn't planning buying it, but I got it for the cool factor, The sight, I like the sight. Got it for the cool factor. Yep. I like the box on these. I'll make a video when I'm shooting it with my nephew and my friend. I like to change the back plate on this to put like a grayish American flag on it, but that's later on, not now. No rush. Like I said, guys, this is empty, so real nice. I heard it's flat shooting, I mean, shoot 9, so really doesn't matter to me if it does that or not. This is why I bought this, because of this. The port on top. Pretty cool. Yep. That's right, my first Glock. This is my early Christmas present right here. Yep. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and be safe now. Take care.